Hello everyone, a very good morning. Today is Shiv's birthday. It's a very very happy birthday for her and we're going down for breakfast. And Shiv has just turned 30.
I'm not 30.
It's a major milestone.
I'm not 30. Are you weird?
You're not?
No. You're 30 actually.
Are you excited for your birthday?
I'm very excited.
We're gonna do a lot of shopping today.
I'm gonna do lot of shopping today.
Yay! Oh, what a beautiful morning it is. Look at this. It's a nice chill in the air. There's a nice chill. It's beautiful. It's pleasant. The flowers are blossoming. What a life. Mindful living, people. Mindful living. Look at this. Next level.
Thank you.
These are the buggies that transport people around the hotel. And there are like driveways across the hotel that the buggies can drive through to navigate, end to end essentially. What a beautiful sun. Now headed for breakfast. Happy birthday.
I sing it.
Huh? Happy birthday, Shiv. You want me to sing? Finally, Shiv has turned 30.
Oh my god, I'm not 30. Please don't say it. Okay.
So we're headed out for shopping now. It's gonna be a day full of shopping, and we're gonna buy some things. Mostly Shiv will be buying them, and some things for my parents as well for the upcoming family event that we have, which I've not really spoken about much of yet. And excited. We've booked an Innova for the day. That's gonna drive us around because yesterday when we were going out for dinner, we could see that there's no parking in a lot of the markets. So it was good to have a taxi of sorts. Yeah. It's a beautiful sunny day, as you can see. It's all very nice. It's amazing. Look at how quiet the property is. Now we're gonna walk to the porch, get in our cab, and head out. Our cab has just dropped us in Jewelry Bazaar. I'll show you guys around as well, and now we're just navigating through the very very busy roads. Truly very pink. Everything is very very pink. As you can see, it's all pink. Yeah. This is the very very crowded Jewelry Bazaar only. Look at this. Wow. It looks like, we've come back in time, like majorly, big time. It feels like I've traveled years back from, like a much slower time where things are very less digital and there's not tech anywhere. It's just the things that I guess people used to do 20 years, 30 years back in India. It's amazing. A lot of shops have still not opened. It's quite early in the day. Yeah, sure. So we have come to LNB Lakshmi Mishtan Bhandar. There's so much to see. There's so much stuff. But in particular, I'm excited for the kachori, the pyaz kachori. That's what I'm gonna have. So let me get one of those. Maybe a lassi as well, and then I'll tell you how it is. But this is how it looks largely.
Hi Ayush, finally we are in Lakshmi Mishtan Bhandar in Jewelry Bazaar in Jaipur, and we are trying your favorite pyaz kachori, the world famous.
This is how it looks.
So there is this freshly made pyaz kachori with chutney, and now Ayush is gonna try it.
It's very warm actually.
It's very warm. It's fresh.
Ooh, crazy. Absolutely crazy. Look at that. My 1/4 Rajasthani side is all excited.
It's not 1/4 baby, it's half.
I'm 1/4. Because of you also get 1/4 more. Look at that. Ooh, it's incredibly hot, man. Look at that.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Is it oily?
No, it's not oily.
It's not oily.
It's just very hot, which is great.
It's fresh.
It's fresh. That's the shiz.
Describe the taste.
The taste. I thought it was going to be the best thing in the world, but to be honest, it sucks. There's no taste. It's bland, and there's no specific taste profile. So overall, it is like a letdown. You guys can pretty much skip the kachori at least at LNB.
Skip the kachori, skip the cows.
These are traditional Rajasthani shops only. Yeah, they sell like different stuff, handicrafts, clothes, footwear, scarves, kids' clothes, blankies, bed sheets. You know, all of those different kinds of things in traditional Rajasthani handworks. So you'll see there, you know, typical traditional designs and all of those things. It's really nice. I have quite a few things from here actually, at least in terms of bedding and quilts and all of those. The market is bustling. It's still not very packed, so that's nice. There's room to walk, and I'm really enjoying the sun, man. It's hot, and I love it. So this is the 0 kilometer shop. This is what it looks like from outside. It's called National Silk Palace and also has 0 kilometers block print written right there. A lot of block print, ready-made women, you know, stuff is here basically for girls and just, yeah. And it's all pretty much ready-made. And it's like, yeah, young prints, man. Young dress, top kind of prints. And there's also some pieces of cloth that you can buy and get them tailored to your fit. Shiv has come here many times, so this is a regular for us now. Shiv, how much have you shopped?
I've shopped 3 quad sets, 3 scarves, and I have to shop more now.
Yeah, and we've spent a good amount of money here, but the owner is very reasonable, gives a good price, and it's a great shop, man. So this is the one to come to. It's in Bapu Bazaar. You'll be able to find it. It's on one end of Bapu Bazaar, right? And this is what Bapu Bazaar looks like. Similar to Johri Bazaar, but cleaner and better organized, and also less people during the day because it's bright, sunny and hot, which is what I love. Beautiful. So this is Bapu Bazaar only. We're still here. It looks similar to the other bazaars here, like Johri Bazaar now. And now we've called for our driver. We're gonna head to the next spot, which is what I do not know. Let's see. Yeah. But as you can see, most of the markets look very similar in here. They're all pink in color and they look very, you know, old and traditional. That's nice. You see a lot of these cute autos and you know, electric rickshaws also here. Overall very congested but very, very nice. This is the famous lassi shop in Jaipur. It is absolutely packed. Lassi wala. The lassi here is insane and I'm gonna have one now. Look at him pouring the lassi with the malai on top. So lassi is here. Look at the lassi. It looks insane. Wow. Insane. Look at the malai on top. It tastes insane. Incredible. So sweet but so thick and amazing. The texture is next level. I'm kind of in a rush though, because the car is waiting. This is also one of the major monuments of Jaipur. So this is obviously all the finished stuff. I should have ideally shot before, but essentially we got a dal pakwan, we got some tadka Maggi, and we got a couple of cold coffees, some chai. It was all very good. Right, Shiv?
Yeah, it was amazing.
It was all excellent, but just to be super protective, I'm not gonna eat anymore. I'm just gonna have this cold coffee. This is my second one, and take it easy. And then, yeah, we'll eat more during dinner. But yeah, this was basically Tapri Central. It's kind of in the center of Jaipur. It's a super cool cafe kind of situation, and you can just come here, have some chai, have some cold coffee, have some small bites like dal pakwan, Maggi, sandwiches, and have a good time. Overall, must visit. I just had a swim. Shiv was also with me. Now I'm headed back. I'm gonna take a shower, and then yeah, we're gonna watch some. Shiv and I are gonna watch some shows, maybe a movie. Let's see, and then we'll figure out dinner plans. Maybe we'll order in. Maybe we'll go out. Maybe we'll just go to a restaurant here at the property, and yeah, we'll figure it out. But it's been a great vacation, man. A short, nice vacation. Very relaxing. It also allowed time to introspect, zoom out. That's really needed in life. Just to get grounded and really understand what you're doing. Are you headed in the right direction? Are there things that you can do better? It's important, yeah. And it also helps you live mindfully, right? To make better choices, to figure out what are things that you could do better to live an even better, higher quality life. Yeah. So overall, very, very nice, very, very relaxing, and very, very fun vacation. It's a sunny day. We're heading out of the hotel now. Actually, after breakfast, we're headed to breakfast right now, and then after that, we're gonna head out, be on the road, and straight to Delhi. We want to get to Delhi by like 3 p.m. And we want to do that so we can actually finish some errands that we have, really important ones, and yeah, then be in a good shape to watch the match tonight, India versus New Zealand, and be super pumped for that, and then actually have a great work week, right, starting tomorrow. So yeah, that's what it is. Sunny day, very beautiful, as you can see. Look, everything is just amazing, so beautiful, lush green. I love it. Yeah, it's so nice. The birds are chirping. It's so serene, so peaceful. Yeah, Aravali surrounding us, beautiful property, very nice.